It's pretty weird. Today we're going to be tasting weird pregnancy cravings that are just kind of common out there because there's a lot of weird
concoctions.
Yeah, that people
Yes.
have.
So
Pregnant women have.
Yeah, so it's basically a lot of ingredients they already have on hand, but then you just mix them very weirdly together to make these super weird concoctions. So let's start with the first one. This one right here is a peanut butter sandwich with original Doritos. Here you go, my dear.
Peanut butter
with Doritos.
With Doritos on the bread.
Yes.
And pregnant women love this.
Supposedly, yes. Because it's peanutty, it's crunchy, it's salty, it's cheesy, it's sweet.
Well, that doesn't sound bad.
It doesn't. But it sounds good, doesn't it?
Okay.
So many things.
It's like, I mean, to me, it reminds me of what's that peanut butter candy?
I feel like it needs honey in here. That would be even better.
I could see somebody like non-pregnant liking this.
I don't like the Doritos in here. You know what would taste better? The cheddar and sour cream Lay's potato chips. That's what would taste better in here, not the Doritos. Maybe just I'm not a fan of Doritos.
That's why I don't mind the Doritos.
I'm shocked that he likes this. I'm not a fan.
It's not bad.
Are you pregnant?
With you? I don't. That wasn't weird enough.
I love the peanut butter.
Let's get more weird.
Hey, I'm starting you off on really like a good note here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Next one is another sandwich, but it's peanut butter with a pickle. I'm shocked. You don't like peanut butter.
Well, I don't like peanut butter, but like for the sake of this, I'll go for it.
The thing is, do you remember the place, Engine Number 9, the burger place? They have a peanut butter burger, remember?
Well, that's the thing. I don't like peanut butter by itself.
But you like it with other stuff. Like.
But if people mix it with, use it as an ingredient, I love it.
This smells so much better to me than Doritos. I feel like I'm gonna love this one.
All right, go ahead.
Mm-hmm.
You like the peanut butter and pickle? Mm-hmm. See, I like almost everything with pickle.
Wow, that's good. Oh my gosh. Try it.
Okay, maybe pregnant women are onto something. We should have our restaurant.
Just pregnant women.
Uh-huh.
Wait, this is really good. I would do more pickles.
I feel like the pickles overpower. There's a little hint of peanut butter.
Is that a good thing?
Do we need like a little sniffer to...
Like coffee beans?
To clear the...
The cleanse palate? Mm-hmm. Wait, that one's actually really, really good.
Yeah, honestly, I see all sorts of weird breakfast concoctions in the Nashville area. Like a burger and a donut or like, you know, all sorts of things. I could see that being in a restaurant somewhere just because it's weird. Okay, the first two, they were okay. I'm not weirded out.
Where do you see this going? Cornflakes.
With the hot sauce? Well, what could they possibly want cornflakes with? I mean, I don't like cornflakes in general, but...
We'll do a little bit.
With like beet juice? With tomato juice?
Tomato juice, lime, and salt.
Okay, let's do it. That sounds really weird, but I think I won't mind it.
But in like all the best ways.
Lime.
Salt. This sounds gross.
Okay. I mean, tomato just makes everything better for me also, so I might like this.
Here you go.
This is it?
And then you mix it, and then you eat it like that.
So.
Go for it.
It's not bad.
Wait, that's not bad at all. That's actually really good. It's kind of like replacing saltine crackers with cornflakes. It might be weird if you got like frosted flakes with that sweetness, but it might be really good actually.
Andrey, like, pour me a bowl.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not bad.
That's so weird, but so good.
It's weird, but I'm not disgusted. I would like, you know.
Wait, that's actually, here you go, you can finish that.
Are you like fallen into pregnancy now, into the cravings, or?
No.
Okay.
Not bad, right?
It's pretty good.
Okay, so what do you think the hot sauce goes with?
Cottage cheese?
Nope.
No? I mean, hot sauce goes with everything.
Okay.
I think with banana.
With clementines.
Interesting. Okay, it's like a
citrusy,
spicy coffee, but this is like a spicy
orange. Okay, so how are we gonna do this? I think we're just gonna dip it, right?
Yeah, let's put some oil on here, and I'll dip it, and I'll go for it.
Ready? Boy, that's really good.
It's not bad.
Wow, that's really good.
I think we need to open up a restaurant called
my goodness.
Pregnant Mama or something like that.
Instead of pregnant papa.
Just pregnant AF.
Whatever.
You know?
Is it good?
Yes, it's kind of like opening up the palate even more. Like the spicy, like I feel like you can taste everything now.
Okay, I'm not weirded out. So let's keep moving.
Wow, that is good. That is really good. So the next one we might as well do bananas with lemon juice.
Why would that be bad?
I don't know. I don't think that's bad. I just think that's weird.
I feel like I had.
Did I squirt that in your eye?
Yeah,
Sorry.
a juice like that.
I'm sorry. Banana juice?
Oh, like a muffin. Yeah.
Well, I mean, you do like I usually do smoothies with banana, lemon, a mixture of stuff.
Yeah, like a smoothie. There you go.
Yeah. But this is just banana with lemon. It kind of tastes like an unripe banana.
I mean, it starts
I don't
off.
like that.
It starts off lemony and then turns to a banana.
I don't like that. I feel like it doesn't do the banana justice.
Yeah, not as many flavors.
I don't like that one.
Are so
Okay, moving on to ice cream. Because obviously we need ice cream.
Good. Ice cream and pickles. I hear that one all the time.
Yeah! But it gets better.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll grab some ice cream.
Oh no, it's melted. Okay.
It's nice. It's soft serve.
So it's a vanilla, right?
Yes, it's vanilla bean. Jackie
Okay.
picked the best kind. So we're gonna do ice cream and pickles.
I always thought that this is disgusting, but I have never tried it. So
Here you go.
I'm gonna try it. I'll put it right here. This will be my dipping.
No.
spoon.
Just put it on your spoon, and I'm gonna put the pickle on top. Is that good? He's not saying gross.
It's pretty weird. This is a interesting combination. It starts off sweet and then goes pickly.
Nope. I can't. Nope.
You gonna throw this up?
I don't like that. No.
I mean, I wouldn't gag from that,
Nope. I don't like that. Can you give me the water, please?
but it kind of tastes like what you would expect. Ice cream and pickles.
Okay, so the next one, we have cottage cheese and yellow mustard. Okay, ready? Let's mix this together.
Oh, you mix it in?
Yeah, so cottage cheese and mustard.
Okay, I mean, I like the ingredients together though. Really?
It's
Okay.
actually really good. Not bad. I was thinking it was gonna be a lot weirder, but it's not. I think because cottage cheese doesn't really have a lot of flavor to begin with.
Yeah.
It's just texture.
This is actually good.
Wait, I like that.
Gotta get in on this.
I don't hate it.
Yeah. It's like a mellowed down
Mustard.
mustard. Yeah.
With texture.
I think if you like mustard, you would love this.
You could use this as like a chip dip.
Yeah, there you go.
Why not? That's actually really yummy. I don't hate that at all. Okay, the next one, we're gonna leave off on a good note. So let's do, what do you think the tuna is for?
I mean, with pickles, it would probably taste good. Hot sauce would also taste good.
What did I leave on the table?
Tuna and ice cream. Okay, that's gonna be might be another throw up kind of flavor.
Okay, we're actually you have to mix it. So we're gonna put
Okay.
this into a bowl. All right, then we'll take some tuna. Do you like canned tuna?
I'm okay with it.
And then just mix it in there. Oh,
That does not smell good.
no.
Jack is about to throw up with it. Oh, that looks disgusting. That looks like baby food.
Talk about throw up.
It already came out.
Okay, you ready? We need to do this together.
No, you go first. Or I can go first.
Okay, you go first.
Okay,
you be the trooper.
I'll get there and give you the reaction. Tuna, pretty much tuna ice cream. Yeah, it smells bad.
I don't know what I. It's that good? Oh no, you're actually gonna spit it out. Oh no.
Not worth it.
Okay.
That's throw up right there.
Dude, that is bad. Jackie, don't try it.
Wait, was this the end? Is there more? I want to try more stuff.
There's one more.
I'm just curious how many people actually get those cravings. I mean, you searched this out and this is kind of common things. I just wonder how true it is. I want to hear how many people actually had these types of cravings.
So like I said, we're ending on a good note.
You said that last time. and we
No, I
almost threw
said
up.
before. I'm leaving the last one for the best. That's why we started with the ice cream with the tuna.
Okay, I was confused with that. That was not a good note.
Okay, so we have Twizzlers and Nutella. That actually sounds like the best combination in the world, honestly.
I like Nutella, Twizzlers, whatever, but
I'm a huge fan of Twizzlers.
could be a good delivery system.
Yeah, it could. So I'm giving you two options.
Okay,
Strawberry or cherry.
let's do cherry. Let's do cherry.
I personally like the cherry one's better because you
Okay.
can pull them apart really easily.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's kind of like string cheese, but even better.
I mean, my problem with these was always that they don't have enough flavor, so
Now it will.
yeah.
I'm gonna try
hopefully-
strawberry. I mean, it's literally like Twizzlers dipped in chocolate.
Yeah.
It's honestly what you expect. Not feeling it?
I don't know. I need more. I need way more Nutella.
I feel like you need like an actual like a big chunk.
No, I need less of that.
It's a really good delivery system. You were correct.
Is it?
Uh-huh.
It starts off very chocolatey and then it's like this
Mellows out.
freshness in your mouth afterwards.
Ooh, I don't know which one I like more. I feel like I like the strawberry one. Even though I like the cherry one better by itself. I feel like that one tastes a little more medicinal.
Mm-hmm.
The cherry. The strawberry one's much better. Strawberry one with Nutella, better than the cherry with Nutella. I'm actually really shocked that I like the strawberry one more.
I mean, would I eat this? No.
I wouldn't either.
I would just eat this.
Yeah, I
good.
can't see myself just like, yeah.
Dip it. No, yeah.
I don't know.
It's not like
It's not
bad or anything like
no.
that. It's exactly what you would think it is.
I'd rather just eat one or the other.
Yeah.
Okay, so before we leave off, I want you to come up with your own concoction
Okay.
of these ingredients in front of me. But it has to be weird. It can't be like hot sauce with pickles.
Forget about the cornflakes.
Cornflakes also, yeah.
Do I have a piece of bread?
You could just use these right here.
All right. So my concoction would be, we can leave the peanut butter
Pickles
and
juice.
and pickle. Add whoa.
Ew, no chocolate.
A little bit of chocolate in there.
That's the tuna one.
Gonna do a little bit of chocolate on there.
With a little tuna flavor.
Little tuna. Well, we're gonna add the tuna. Where's the tuna?
Do you want chips?
Some tuna. We might have this for Christmas party.
Appetit. Maybe
Some
banana
cottage-
on there?
some cottage cheese on it.
Maybe banana?
Cottage cheese with
Oh, I need a try.
Babe, you're having way too much fun with this. I love it.
cottage cheese with.
And I feel like you need to put hot sauce on top.
Oh, that's right. And I forgot.
You need
hot
something
sauce.
red on there.
Yeah, it smells
Can I smell
really
it?
good right now.
Wow, that actually smells really good. Just that chocolate is throwing me off.
There we are. And a little bit of hot sauce. Let's see how this tastes. We're missing a crunch,
Cornflakes.
but whatever.
Cornflakes, Doritos.
Oh, this smells really good. Smell it with the hot sauce.
That actually does smell
Oh,
really
yeah.
good. That smells really good.
I would subtract that cottage cheese.
You didn't let me have a bite.
This is my concoction. You can make your own.
Well, I want to taste your concoction. I've been staring at the bananas with the hot sauce. That's what I want to taste. And there's a little lemon juice on here.
Little less. I should put a little less of the Nutella.
No?
No, that's not a good combination. I think it's a texture first.
Slippery though.
Yeah, it's slippery little guy. It's actually not bad. Like and the end tasting, it's actually not bad. At first it tastes weird because it's like a spicy banana.
It's not bad. It's like a slimy hot sauce.
Banana.
Yeah.
But it's not bad at all. Interesting.
Okay.
What was your least favorite?
The one I threw out. The tuna with ice cream.
Both of us.
Tuna with ice cream, yeah.
I know. I feel like you have to have like a very specific craving for that.
Yeah.
'Cause that was nasty. That was not good.
That was not good.
And I feel like if you're prone to throwing up, especially during pregnancy, don't even try it. I've
But
warned you.
surprisingly, a lot of these combinations
Are phenomenal.
are actually really good. If I ate it somewhere, I'd be like, okay, you know.
They're thinking.
I would say like that's kind of creative. You know, I'll try it. You know, somebody like presented it like hors d'oeuvres, like on a platter, and they tell me what it is. I'm like, oh.
Especially if they made it like super
Yeah,
nice.
and I thought, I'll take that.
Yeah, but I think we're gonna start a restaurant.
Pregnancy something. I don't know.
I just think pregnant AF.
Pregnant AF?
Yeah, or called pregos.
Prego food?
Just pregos.
Prego foods?
No, just pregos. Preggers.
Preggers? Okay.
Or just. I'm shocked that you actually enjoyed most of it.
I was like, you told me about it yesterday. I was excited. I was like, oh, well, that sounds very interesting.
All right, I'm so happy that I didn't throw up more than once. But you guys, thank you for watching and spending time with us. And we'll see the next one very soon. Bye.
Bye.